It looks like abstract art, but it's pure science, the largest, most accurate model of the universe ever created. Researchers at the Argonne National Laboratory are using a powerful supercomputer to build the simulations with datasets gathered from cosmologists and deep space observatories around the world. They're looking for answers to universal questions. What exactly are the forces called dark energy and dark matter? And how do they affect those parts of the universe we can see? Project head Salman Habib says the simulations could provide clues, although it's a difficult and often frustrating search.
So you would get this beautiful, picture of the sky, and you would sort of scratch your head and you would say, well, this is all very beautiful, but what does it mean, right? So the first task of the simulation is to extract meaning. So the universe is the biggest object out there, and therefore the most annoying, right? You look at it and say, who ordered that, right? So I think that's why theorists are so drawn to it, because the idea of trying to explain effectively, creation, so to speak, right, is something that's very interesting. It used to belong in a completely different sphere, right, philosophy, etc., and now it's just hard science.
Habib says it's hard science now thanks to huge advances in technology. He says physicists have had equations that theorize how the universe evolved for years. But, he says, these simulations allow for those theories to be tested against real cosmological data.
That's the role which the simulations play. Without the simulations, you wouldn't be able to go from the paper and pencil solution to comparing to the observations. Or the other direction. If I had very good observations, I wouldn't be able to get any science out of them unless I use the simulations to sort of work backwards.
Scientists believe that 95% of the universe is made up of dark energy and dark matter, even though both those forces are theoretical. Habib says such large-scale simulations, in concert with increasingly detailed sky surveys, will hopefully shed light on their properties, allowing for a clearer picture of how the universe formed and why it's expanding.